Okay, if you can answer one question, give me an answer. Just consider, what if after marriage your partner faces a sexual problem? Will you get married again to somebody else? And if that's the case, where was love? Where is companionship? We are gonna talk exactly what the thumbnail reflects. The purpose of marriage has been lost. Welcome to the channel, everybody. You are watching and listening to Miss Amira Jyoti. I'm your host, and you are on Speak Up Hesitations. Okay, what is marriage basically? You have to think about a person जिसको शादी के बारे में कुछ नहीं पता, जिसने वेडिंग के कोई सीन नहीं देखे. Basically, you have to think about a person who has zero idea about the concept of marriage. अगर हम सिंपल टर्म में देखें, performing a ceremony mixed with sacred rituals, after which two others are confirmed as husband and wife, declared as husband and wife. Then they can have their romantic relationship, kids, family, etc. Right? लेकिन आपको नहीं लगता the decision to get married only makes sense when you are truly in love or when you truly like somebody? Why should one get married to anyone without having any such feelings यार? मैंने पॉइंट इसीलिए हाईलाइट किया बिकॉज द पर्पस ऑफ मैरिज शुड बी लव और इज लव. फॉर होम यू हैव लव इन योर हार्ट, उसके लिए रिस्पेक्ट अपने आप आ जाएगी. रिस्पेक्ट आ गई तो समर्पण आ जाएगा. और जब किसी के लिए समर्पण आता है तो क्या होता है, आप झुक जाते हो, आप सुनते भी हो, आप समझते भी हो. यू विल एक्सप्रेस योर थॉट्स इन सच अ वे दैट दे डोंट गेट हर्ट. एंड इफ दे गेट हर्ट, आप झुक के पछताओगे भी. बट द ब्रिलियंट थिंग ओवर हियर इज दैट कि ये सारी चीज़ें, व्हेन वी टॉक अबाउट प्योर लव, ये सारी चीज़ें एफर्टलेसली होती हैं. यू डोंट हैव टू पुश योर सेल्फ फेकली एंड मेक दैट एक्स्ट्रा एफर्ट कि यार ये भी करना पड़ेगा. तो ये सारी चीज़ें स्मूथली हो पाती है बिकॉज ऑफ दैट प्योर लव ओनली, एंड दैट प्योर लव इज मिसिंग इन मैरिज. People see every single individual like an option. They feel like society is a kind of buffet table where changing multiple partners is like changing multiple dishes. सब कुछ ट्राई कर लेते हैं, मैं भी जा रहा हूँ, तुम भी चलो. Sometimes I get stuck with these kind of thoughts, seriously. Whether it's a boy or a girl, no one is respecting their partner. कोई खिचड़ी बुला रहा है, कोई बिरयानी बुला रहा है, कोई दाल चावल बुला रहा है. Is this the way you have found to describe your partner? हो सकता है you have just messaged that person 2 minutes ago saying I love you. But can you describe that I love you for me? अच्छा, मजाक किया गया. But it's a sick message you have just passed on. हो सकता है इसी चीज़ को 4 लोग और फ़ॉलो करें क्योंकि स्वैग मूवमेंट हो जाएगा ना. बट अगर अपने पार्टनर को बिरयानी, खिचड़ी, पुलाव, व्हाटएवर जो भी आप बुला रहे हो और वियर्ड नाम जो भी यूज़ करते हो, इन शब्दों को यूज़ करने से अगर आपको अटेंशन मिल रही है तो दैट्स अ रॉन्ग अटेंशन. Sit down, start deep breathing, and realize the blunder you have just did. Then people say marriage not working. Are you ready to make it work? Now, the next thing you see in marriage is companionship. But nowadays, the only thing people are saying in marriage is either finance, like either money, or either intimacy compatibility. My eyes lower in embarrassment when I hear these kind of things. Don't you think intimacy is a result of love? Like two people are coming close to each other because it's naturally happening because of love and not because of lust. So, intimacy in relationship should be because of love. Okay, love is not the result of intimacy and it shouldn't be like that. People have polluted marriage in every way. I'm 26 and people around me ask, how about marriage? Did you find someone? I'm like, do you know somebody who believes that relationship is rishta and not just sleeping with somebody you're just attracted to? लोग कहने के लिए हामी भर तो देते हैं, लेकिन अभी ऐसा साक्षात्कार हुआ नहीं, साक्षात किसी के दर्शन नहीं हुए हैं जो इस तरीके के माइंडसेट रखते हों. और अगर ऐसा माइंडसेट नहीं है तो इट सीम्स क्लियर टू मी दैट द पर्पस ऑफ मैरिज इज वैनिशिंग. Okay, if you can answer one question, give me an answer. Just consider, what if after marriage your partner faces a sexual problem? Will you get married again to somebody else? And if that's the case, where was love? Where is companionship? Even after such a problem, if your partner is holding your hand and standing right next to you, this is what the real meaning of companionship in marriage, right? This companionship is very right. देखता है वो इंसान यार, लड़का हो या लड़की. Like, it's different concept. If the real meaning, real sense of companionship is missing in marriage, it seems clear to me that the purpose of marriage is vanishing. Okay, what's the purpose of marriage then? If your love for that person is gone, everything you feel for that person is also gone, man. The real sense of respect for that person is also gone. The real sense of loyalty for that person is also gone. It's a sad reality. You don't exist for that person at all now. Human connection builds with love. Human connection grow with love. Human connection stay for forever because of that pure love only. What's the meaning of pure here? Just stay there, okay? Just don't give up. और ये नेचुरली होना चाहिए, आप अंदर से वो इंसान होने चाहिए। अगर वो नेचुरली नहीं हो रहा है, तो कनेक्शन टूटेगा, relationship टूटेगा, the marriage will break. Why? The purpose of marriage is getting vanished. The purpose of relationship is getting vanished. I am not saying don't get married. What I'm saying is please just try to hold the beautiful, brilliant purpose of marriage. Try to hold the sentiments of marriage. People have made the most sacred thing the dirtiest. Please just try to hold the beauty of marriage and then live a happy life. So now it's an end. That's all for today's video. I hope the time you have given to watch my video, I have done justice to it. See, my purpose is just to talk right and spread right. I also know it very well that nobody can interfere in personal decision making process. See you all in the next video. Bye for now. Okay, you have a good day.